And so what is it that's sort of making your itinerary stand out from just booking directly? And I think that's what all of our customers are always kind of struggling with in terms of that challenge.
Definitely. I mean, even I get people that come and book up on what I see as a very standard tour. And Everest Base Camp trip, yes, it might be physically and mentally challenging, but the tour itself, there are 50,000 people that go and walk that trip every year, and there are a number of operators. And if you go, from Intrepids to Flight Centre, they've all got their own customized tours. But if you sort of, we've had people that have booked with us and they've seen our price point, and then they come back a week later after booking and going, I've just got this email saying that I can do the same trip as you and it cost me $2,000 less. And you sort of look at it and you realise, yes, they can, but that's where you start to, if you know the place and you know the people on the ground and you know those relationships, and you can use those to your advantage and to the locals' advantage. So it's not just going to the biggest tea houses, it's going to a homestay. Or if you can find the local who you had a great tea with one day and you said, hey, would you mind doing a cooking class for us when we get there next time? We'll pay you for it. How about we add that as an extra value add? Or how about we know the Lama in one of the monasteries? How about we get the whole of the group blessed before they start their trip? So once you get out there and you start to, if you've done it a couple of times yourself and you know those little things that excited you and make the hairs on the back of your neck go up and make you go, wow, if it makes that happen for you, it's definitely going to happen to people who are fresh to that country or fresh to that experience. So they're the little extras. They're the wow factors that we always try and find and add on, so that, yes, it might be an Everest Base Camp trip, but it's Everest Base Camp plus, 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 plus.